Welcome to in front of me XIAOMI POCO M3 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch voicemail notification sounds on this device. So first you should go to the phone app, and on the right upper corner tap to the three dots. Now just go here to the settings and tap to the voicemail section. Now just we want to switch our notification sound, so tap there and go to the sound section. As can you see, we just get selected a notification, that's cell phone. And as can you see here, you can choose your new sound from the online ringtones from the internet, or also if you got some local ringtones on your device, or so you can just here select one from these default sounds. So we got at the moment this one. For example, we can go with this one, and now just go back to okay, so we just have tap here to apply, and then just to select this ringtone, tap here to OK, and as can you see, this sound applied successfully to your voicemail. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.